Hello! Today I'd like to introduce you to an innovation, Enterprise Multifunctional Living Solutions. 4-foot double-wing expansion box. The unfolded size of this expansion box is 11.8 meters long, 6.14 meters wide, and 2.48 meters high. Spacious and bright. Customized broken bridge aluminum sliding door. It comes with 10 soundproofs. Broken bridge aluminum sliding window with thermal insulation function. The total square footage of this house is 74 square meters. Layout. It adopts the design of 3 bedrooms, 2 living rooms, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom. Fully meet the housing needs of families. The floor of the room is in ink color. SPC humidity floor. Gives people a particularly warm feeling. The walls are light gray bamboo fiberboard. Gray trim at the top. It increases the layering of the space. Take a look at our bedroom. A double bed was set up, a bedside table, and illuminated vanity mirrors. At the same time, we have matched to more wardrobes inside the room. This time we did a wet and dry separation in the bathroom. The floor is made of non-slip tiles. The walls are made of this moisture-proof fishtail platform. The top is with lighting. Ventilated and heated integrated yuba. The outside of the bathroom. We included a wash basin. At the same time, a socket is reserved here. Install a washing machine later. Take a look at our kitchen. The corresponding socket is matched. One-piece marble appearance. This place has a table for 4. Kitchen location. We have reserved one that leads to the back garden. Open the door if you are looking for an innovative and multifunctional living solutions. You might as well consider our 4-foot wings expansion box.